Hi Vidya, how's life going on?
Hey Shweta, it's been roller coaster these days.
What happened, Vidya?
क्या बताऊं यार? My son has turned 5.5 now, and due to this pandemic, he's not yet into reading and writing words in English. Yeah.
So, what's happening at his school? What are they teaching and how are they teaching English?
The school has taught 26 letters and 2-letter words and 3-letter words, but he still gets confused so much while reading these words. They have actually taught the sounds of 26 letters, but still he is not able to understand.
Problem तो है.
और तो और श्वेता, he writes capitals and smalls anywhere, wherever he likes. Anywhere capitals, anywhere smalls in the words. He says, "Mama, C का sound भी है, A का sound A है, C का sound कहीं कहीं क आता है. Why is cat not saying sat?"
I got you and your son. Actually, Vidya, English reading and writing is based on the coding and decoding skills, using sounds and their rules. This is what is known as synthetic phonics. We take sounds out of the letters and even the combination of few letters also, which gives different sounds.
Okay.
And teaching 42 sounds is not enough. We need to have 3 pillars of teaching phonics: blending, the correct way of segmenting, and the rules have to be taught to the children, the rules of spelling English. Once a child learns all these 5 skills, the decoding and the coding skills, with the help of the sounds, the English reading and writing becomes so much easier. And that is the point the confusion goes away.
So what shall I do now, Shweta?
I have a solution for you. Join Twinkling Phonics Academy, where level-wise children get the admission. They get registered, and within few weeks, rather within 3 to 4 sessions only, the kids get accustomed with all skills and start reading and writing. The lesson plan is so curatively designed, along with the multi-sensory activities like songs, rhymes, stories, games, activities, reading and writing the books, dictations, riddles, and much more. Good.
Thanks a lot, Shweta. I'm so much relaxed now. I'll immediately connect with them.
Are you also a parent like Vidya? Are you also facing the same problems as Vidya is facing? Is your child also facing the problems while coding and decoding skills? The problem is the child has to mug up the words. Nowadays, we observe synthetic phonics, synthetic jolly phonics with the children, wherein the child learns the letter versus sound relationship. And that is how the child learns the coding and the decoding skills of English language. So in English, we have letters, and it's not about 26 letters. 26 letters gives us the basic 42 sounds. The combination of the letters also gives us the sound. And that is what the child needs to learn. In most of the schools, the children are learning only the 26 letters versus the 26 sounds, right? And that is why the child is not able to perform well, not able to read and write well. Hi, I'm Shweta Gupta. I'm accredited Jolly Phonics trainer. I've been into this field of empowering children and the teachers since past 16 years. I have wonderfully taken the batches for children and for the teachers. They are reading well, they are writing well, and they have escalated high into their studies. So if you also want your child to get enrolled and registered into our batch, the next new batch is going to start from 9th of November. So the batches are going to start for all the levels of Jolly Phonics, for grammar, for creative writing, for spoken English, and for handwriting skills. So enroll your child now